ये मेरे इंस्टीट्यूट की कंपाइल करता बुक है। इसमें बायोलॉजी की एमसीक्यूज़ हैं और वो तमाम एमसीक्यूज़ मौजूद हैं जो एमडी गेट के पास पेपर्स में आई हैं, नम्स के पास पेपर में, आगा खान मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी या दूसरे प्राइवेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी। लेकिन अब हम ये सीरीज़ शुरू करवाएंगे आपको चैप्टर वाइज। एयर वाइज मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में मौजूद है। अब हम चैप्टर वाइज करवा रहे हैं। मेरी कुछ रिस्पेक्टेड फैकल्टी मेंबर्स आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन देंगी इन एम।
Two alleles on one locus can be both A and B, identical and different. All the genes or alleles found in a breeding population at a given time are collectively called gene pool. When the alleles of a gene pair in an organism is same, then organism is called homozygous. The law in which when an individual showing a dominant genotype is crossed with an individual showing its recessive phenotype is called test cross. Homozygous or heterozygous nature of phenotype is found out by test cross. What generation is produced when R and small r is crossed? C option. The contrasting pairs of alleles for all the 7 characters chosen by Mendel showed complete dominance. When the phenotype of heterozygous is intermediate between phenotype of the two homozygous, then this is called D. Overdominance. Different alleles of a gene that are both expressed in heterozygous condition are called codominance. There are 3 general phenotypes in MN blood group that are A, ये 3 है, is the sign used for male reproductive organ. ABO locus is on which the chromosome 9. Environmental variation makes the distribution of phenotypes more smooth and continuous. What will be the color of the skin when the numbers of pigments specifying the genes are greater? Dark. How homologous chromosome pair up lengthwise? Point to point, locus to locus, both A and B is the answer. X and Y chromosomes are called sex chromosomes. There is no allele for the trait on Y chromosome. In humans, hypophosphatemic or vitamin D resistant rickets are dominant. Red blindness is named as protonopia. What is blue blindness called? Tritonopia. When XX woman marries a colorblind man, XCY, then the chances that their children would be 25% colorblind. For ये children है, we identify their parents can be, तो इसका क्रॉस बना के तो इनके पेरेंट्स आएंगे ये.
बायोटेक्नोलॉजी डोली इज द फर्स्ट मेजर ऑफ अचीवमेंट इन द फील्ड ऑफ. इसका आंसर है बायोटेक्नोलॉजी डी. द बिल्डिंग ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी स्टैंडिंग ऑन द पायलट्स ऑफ. इसका आंसर है डी RDNA टेक्नोलॉजी. जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग यूजली यूटिलाइज बैक्टीरिया सेल एंड अदर प्लाज्मिड इन जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग बिकॉज ऑफ. इसका आंसर है ये साइड हैव द बेस्ट न्यूक्लियोटाइड सीक्वेंस ऑफ. इसका आंसर है सी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंडिकेट द बेस्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ स्टिकी एंड्स. इसका आंसर होगा बी AAT. एंजाइम इज द की एंजाइम सील इन रिस्ट्रक्शन एंजाइम फ्रेगमेंट विद स्टिकी एंड्स ऑफ वेक्टर. इसका आंसर होगा DNA लाइगेस. द सेवरल कॉपीज ऑफ सिंगल जीन कैरिड बाय द RDNA मॉलिक्यूल इज नाउ अस कोलोन. इसका आंसर ए होगा. द बैक्टीरिया विद RDNA इज नाउ अस. इसका आंसर ए है प्लाज्मिड इंजीनियरिंग बैक्टीरिया. यूकैरियोटिक DNA consists of D, both exon and intron. Vector is a molecule into desired gene is inserted. इसका आंसर होगा D, recombinant DNA. Process by which C and DNA obtained from messenger RNA is now us. इसका आंसर होगा B, reverse transcription. Which one is correct for DNA ligase? इसका आंसर होगा A, selling. C is seal the restriction of fragment. Then usually are used in the host and RDNA technology. इसका आंसर होगा B, bacteria cell. Formation of cDNA from messenger RNA is now as transcription. Genetic engineering bacteria can be used in all of the above. Restriction fragment length of polymerize. इसका आंसर होगा D, all of the above. Which is the benefit of using a retrovirus a vector is gene therapy. इसका आंसर है C, eliminate a lot of unnecessary step. Gel electrolysis J electrolysis means मतलब tails with various infection. Which of the incorrectly match? D answer DNA ligase mapping human chromosomes. Cytofibrosis patient lack a gene that codes for transmembrane carrier of the, इसका आंसर है ए कैल्शियमाइन. जीन सीक्वेंस इस आ मीन्स, इसका मतलब है, इसका आंसर है ऑल ऑफ द अबव. Isthemia is a disease. C. Multifactorial. DNA is a fragment is used to both A and B. In the genomic library, the million copies biological information present in the site of bacteria of bacteriophage. The international efforts to the discover to lose of all human gene 23 pair of is called molecular genetics. Medical and gene research have revised about C. The genetic diseases fall into the following broad categories: chromosomal abnormalities. The use of is providing excellent tools of the diagnosis genetic diseases even before the onset of symptoms. इसका आंसर है C. Both of above. The first disease which have treated by gene therapy. Gene therapy इसका आंसर है A. For the diagnosis inherited disorder, the DNA have to take from amniotic cavity.